Non-fungible token or NFTs. What does that mean? Non-fungible token or NFTs means they are cryptographic assets on blockchain with unique identification code and metadata that distinguish them from each other. Unlike cryptocurrencies, they cannot be traded or exchanged at equivalency. These differ from fungible tokens like cryptocurrencies, which are identical to each other and therefore can be used as a medium for commercial transaction. So, in that amazing crypto world of NFTs, DeFi, blockchain, there are the island. The island features plenty of social features, exciting places and innovative in-game, onboard decentralized private and public features through the uses of blockchain technology on Binance Smart Chain, which presents many exciting incentives and brings a lot of opportunities for its people. And behind this amazing gamified project, there should be a great roadmap, right? Let's know more about its roadmap. For devs, Dagons, hodlers, farm lovers, food fans, and most of the people of the island, here is a roadmap for small beginnings come great things. Start farming Lily by staking and farm pools on the Lily of the Lily farm. Here, the official cryptocurrency name of the island is Lily. And you can stake it, farm it, pool it, everything you can learn, you can do it. Farm, swap, trade. It has its own buyback mechanism, inflation persuasion, but most importantly, the new Lily supply will definitely be less and less when it has progressed. However, beyond just this basic and very raw function, it also a start of a new revolution. It's a brand new era, a small but important step of a brave new world. Step 2. Be prepared for the battle of your lifetime. At the Black Forest, you will meet rivals with as well as magical and epic creatures. In Black Forest, you have to fight with 20 creatures and defeat them to earn your bonus. Have your NFT unicorns from Unicornia. They are your avatar and key to the island. Unicorn will be the key and user avatar for accessing the island. They will also be stakeable, which means they provide you with the ability to earn percentage of the whole ecosystem revenue. They will be strictly limited in numbers, and after a specific time there will be no new unicorn. A new unicorn will be bought only the Lily from Unicornia, a part of the island. The island will have a separate marketplace for a few of the secondary farm unicorns. A small percentage of the newborn unicorn will be HUD here, like any other on the island in-game asset to be brought and sold to present more incentives as well as trade opportunities for Lily and people of the island. The island is the multiplayer DPDFs world which are presented in a large game concept. There is only accessible with a unicorn from Unicornia. And it also features plenty of social features, exciting places, and innovative in-game onboard decentralized private and public features, and through the usable blockchain technology on Binance Smart Chain, which presents many exciting incentives, brings a lot of opportunities for its people. And next up, they become a part of the community in Agora, the real-life blockchain derived from Agora. As a part of the island, you will benefit from Solar Token, which is exchangeable with Lily. Participate in the building of a space stake center on the island. Lily Island officially and only cryptocurrency. After getting on the island for the first time, every newcomer will ask to have part of the moon via La Luna. La Luna is our moon, parted in the hectares that can be owned through NFTs, which have earning revenue on the island, and are not replicated NFT lands, which user will have ability to buy, sell, and trade these NFT lands. They are limited in numbers and differ size in earning potential stake power as the prices vary. This means that they will only appear in the first servers, and the user will get in the island first, get the chance to buy them through Lily. Keep it in mind that the hectares are limited only to one per user. After having a unicorn and being offered a part of the moon, a newcomer becomes a part of the island and can start using what is offered to revel and explore what is versely offers, like the Iron Bank. And this is the step-by-step roadmap of the island. And you can NFT DFE gamified is one of the biggest motto of the island. You start your journey on the island by registering a unicorn. The unicorn is an NFT. As far I have told earlier in this video, NFT means a non-fungible token and those are not swappable. That can only belong to you and lives on your wallet, which you will use on the island as well as all the connected dApps. There is even marketplace announced of unicorns as well as all other in-game NFTs and assets. Furthermore, there are many other places and dApps that are named as concept that are ready to serve and have progressed in terms of representation for the residents of the island. So, this is it. The most gamified, interesting, and potential and trustworthy platform, the island. So, let's just book your slot and become a permanent member of the island. Thank you so much.